So I work here at my desk, and I even sometimes will eat lunch here at my desk while I'm working, so I get crumbs and things everywhere, and I open packages here at my desk and you get those little pieces of cardboard everywhere. So I bought one of these desk vacuum cleaners. I didn't want to go drag out my big vacuum cleaner, put an attachment on it, and vacuum everything, and I didn't want to move everything off my desk in order to vacuum. So something like this just kind of worked pretty well for me. It comes in a few different colors. This one is kind of like an aqua green. I don't know, just I thought it was a cool color. But it comes with bristles on the bottom as well, so you can kind of scrub with it a little bit. It comes with a cable that plugs right into your PC or into any USB to charge it. Comes with an instruction manual, but it's pretty simple. There's an on-off button, and the suction is here on the bottom, and then you can also twist it to open it to get out all of the pieces that you've picked up. But then you can also use this to clean your keyboard by directing that suction flow into a tiny little nozzle. So now you can use this to get in between the keys on your keyboard to keep your keyboards dirt free. So I thought it was cool. I also actually use this on my kitchen countertops when I'm cooking dinner. There's one just sitting there. I can just get rid of all the crumbs really easily and empty them out. It's pretty useful. I've enjoyed having this. If you are looking for just like a tiny little vacuum for your desk or maybe even kitchen counters, this is one that I use and that I would definitely recommend.